investigating all mentality, materiality in 31 days of existence in terms of those three characteristic marks of existence.
咁咧呢個行者去到呢個時候咧，咁佢就痛定思痛啦，因為知道咧，就算厭惡啊、畏懼啊，個心想出嚟咧，都離唔到呢啲苦嘅。佢修緊內觀啊，咁仲係每個當下都見到呢個三相嘅。咁所以咧，佢咧就再運用個精進力咧，重新咧就將個再睇仔細睇呢個名色二化嘅三相。咁通過咧，即係佢 reins 咧，其實係呢叫審察智啦。審察智咧就係話，佢無論之前幾唔中意，但係咧佢都係要由頭睇翻呢個實相咧，即係五趣蘊嘅實相，即係我哋嘅三相。
Then number 9, Sankharupika Jnana. So the knowledge of equanimity. So this upika is equanimity. Sankhara is formations that refers to mentality, materiality. So we call this the knowledge of equanimity towards all formations in 31 planes of existence. So when you exert the effort to reflect on this mentality, materiality with their three characteristic marks, and finally you develop this knowledge. So when you get this knowledge, you can maintain the mental balance or equanimity towards all mentality, materiality. So that means you at this stage, you do not have any the craving or attachment for this formation, and also you don't have any the disgusting or the fear about the formation. And you know that they are just natural process arising and dissolving all the time, and you can watch them with the equanimity. So that means with the impartial mind, and then not just at ease. Okay.
咁跟住咧，佢經過呢個審察智咧，但係佢就只有係再三咁樣去睇清楚，即係繼續修呢個內觀咧，明白呢個實相啦。咁佢卒之咧就去到呢個叫行捨智嘅。咁行咧，神卡拉都知道認得呢個字啦，但係呢個神卡拉意思好多嘅。喺呢個地方神卡拉咧，就係咧我哋嘅名色二法因緣和合而成嘅名色二法，亦即係我哋而家當下新生嘅現象啊。對於佢就有種中捨心啦，即係對於無論當下發生嘅點樣生滅點樣係令到自己厭惡恐懼啊，想離開佢啊，已經唔會啦淨係對於所有面對之前面對嘅一切咧，而家都係睇得好清楚啦。咁佢有一種平等心嘅，佢見到呢個不停咁樣嘅苦啊，即係無常啦、無我同埋苦呢個現實啦，佢已經就係即係處之泰然啦，即係嗰個中捨心好強啊。咁呢個時候咧，其實就應該冇乜落㗎啦，即係之前嗰啲已經過咗啦。大家記唔記得頭先一大扎嘅智慧咧，都係苦有關啦。咁佢咧就呢個捨心咧係極強嘅，對於自己呢個五蘊啊或者呢個名色二法。
Number 10 is Anuloma Jnana, conformity knowledge, which conforms to the functions of truth, both in the 9 preceding insight knowledges. So these are the preceding 9 insight knowledges, and in the 37 factors of enlightenment that follow. Actually, soon after this Anuloma Jnana, you will develop the path wisdom. So when you attain the path wisdom, we see all 37 factors of enlightenment become the mature, and they become well developed, and you attain the path wisdom. So you realize Nibbana.
咁咧第12個咧就係呢個隨順智啦。呢個隨順智咧，亦即係話咧，我哋到呢個階段咧，到呢個智慧咧，其實係好快嘅。咁佢咧就係我哋過咗呢個階段啦，或者呢個階段咧就係我哋嘅 覺悟嘅所有嘅因緣咧，就已經具備咗㗎啦。我到咗呢個階段咧，其實咧就已經向前行咧，就一定間係出世間嘅智慧。
So you understand this stand inside knowledge is better tomorrow when I am going to explain the process of vipassana, the development of vipassana step by step. Then you understand better.
咁咧教授講咧，佢話我哋今日咧就略略即係講一次啦。咁聽日咧佢會詳細講咧修呢個即係每個兩觀字嘅呢個詳細嘅過程。
So now we go to the next topic, 3 ways of emancipation. Vimokha. So vimokha means emancipation or liberation or deliverance. So it refers to emancipation from entanglement of mentality, materiality, or that also means the liberation from the realm of rebirth, and also the liberation from the samsara is also the realm of misery, the realm of suffering. So here again we say, so vimokha stands for Megha and Phala, the path and institution, which has the emancipation from defilements, kilesa. So when you attain the path wisdom, and then followed by the fusion wisdom, so we say you become noble person, and you can enjoy the bliss of nibbana. So you are on the way on nibbana. So when you attain nibbana, actually you escape or you gain emancipation from the realm of suffering, of the realm of rebirth.
咁咧跟住嘅題目咧就係講咧3種唔同嘅解脫門啦、解脫啦。咁呢個vimokha 咧即係解脫啦，咁佢就意思即係解脫啦。咁或者去脫離啦，脫離咩嘢咧？就係我哋明法釋法嘅束縛啦，由呢個生死輪迴當中咧解脫出嚟嘅。咁呢個 vimokha 咧，亦都係意思咧，就係呢個道字同埋果字咧，即係出世間啊，離開呢個世間嘅呢個咁樣嘅心啦，咁亦都係講呢個出世間嘅智慧啦。
So now we go to the next paragraph. So now we are describing you 3 ways of emancipation. So now the first one, so not yet. So a little above. Oh, we don't have here. So number 3, we have 1, 2 above. Oh yeah, this is this one. So the pathway of emancipation is called Sunyata Vimokha. Emancipation through the concept of void by anatta vipassana. So this sunyata means void or emptiness. So it means the absence of atta or self or soul or ego or person, etc. Or it is the absence of any permanent entity in mentality, materiality, and in the 5 everydays of existence. So the meditator who practices anatta vipassana realizes this concept of void. And if he attains emancipation while practicing anatta vipassana, his consciousness and fusion consciousness called emancipation through the concept of void or sunyata vimokha. So in other words, this yogi, as we say, when he performs vipassana, he reflects anicca for some time, and then dukkha for some time, and anatta for some time. So this person gains the liberation. That means he can develop Megha and Phala by meditating anatta continuously. So when you are reflecting on the not-self nature, anatta vipassana, not self nature, so you don't see any self. When you are looking at those mental entities arising and dissolving, and you know clearly there is no self, as everything, the arising and the dissolve. No permanent thing that can be called as a self or ego or soul. And so, as he said, so we say sunyata is void of or emptiness of the self or ego. So by reflecting on his anatta-nupassana, when he gained when he attained metta and love, so we call it sunyata vimokha.
咁咧有解脫咧嗰個門咧有3個唔同嘅門解脫門啦。咁呢個解脫即係釋放啦、自由啦，咁解放啦。咁第一個門咧就係叫空門嘅，即係由呢個空咧用呢個空做概念咧嚟做呢個觀照呢個無我嘅。咁空係咩咧？空咗呢個自我嘅。咁佢咧就係話其實咧即係無我咁樣解咧，係無我，亦即係話冇一個恒常不變嘅自我啦，喺我哋嘅明白同埋釋法當中啦，或者喺我哋五蘊當中嘅。咁呢個禪修者咧係修呢個無我觀嘅時候咧，咁佢咧就會明白咧呢個空嘅呢個意思啦、觀念啦，同埋咧佢咧就會由呢個方法咧而進入呢個道字同埋果字嘅，即係佢去仍然係觀呢個五蘊㗎，即係唔係觀一個概念，唔係嘅，佢係觀五蘊嘅時候見到呢個無我嘅特相，咁佢就在意喺呢個無我，睇到個無我嘅特相嘅時候咧，佢會就睇到其實無我咧即係空啦，空咗呢個自我啦，咁佢由呢個方法咧進入呢個道字同埋果字嘅。
So the next one is anidmata vimokha, emancipation through the concept of signlessness by anicca nupassana. So this the nimitta. So nimitta, animitta means no nimitta. So nimitta means mark, sign or image. So when we say animitta, it means no mark, no sign, no image. So the yogi or meditator, he is practicing anicca nupassana. So he reflects anicca repeatedly. So while he observes those mental materially arising and dissolving. So this ultimate mental materiality, when you can see them with your wisdom mind, then they have no form, no shape. And also when you are reflecting on the anicca nupassana, you are taking notice that they are arising and dissolving. So at that time, no form, no shape. So why by doing this anicca nupassana, if he can attain the path, wisdom and the fruition wisdom, so we say he gained emancipation through the signlessness, the emancipation through the concept of signlessness by anicca nupassana.
咁咧，另外咧，呢個第二個解脫門咧就叫無常啦，或者係無相啦，無相觀照無相呢個事實啦，咁亦即係同無常有關啦。咁當呢個禪修者咧，佢仍然個所緣咧都係佢個明白釋法啦，或者五取蘊。當佢見到呢五取蘊咧係不停咁樣生滅嘅時候咧，咁佢咧其實咧就唔會見到一個相嘅，好似見到我哋嘅身體啊，或者唔會見到有任何形狀啊、形象嘅嘢，咁呢個咧亦即係形狀、形象都係概念啦。咁當我哋見到個實質嘅嘢係無形無相嘅嘢咧，咁我就破咗我哋嘅顛倒見啦，係有實在嘅嘢啦，同埋有個外貌嘅，有個相嘅。咁通過呢個方法咧，亦都係講係無常啦。咁即係通過觀照呢個anicca nupassana咧。咁而得到呢個道字同埋果字咧，我哋可以講咧係無上嘅解脫門啦。
So we go to the third one, that is Abhidhamma vimokha, emancipation through the concept of desirelessness by dukkha nupassana. So here Abhidhamma means desirelessness. So this yogi, he practiced dukkha nupassana. That means he observed those mental material arising and dissolving, and he is reflecting dukkha, 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 suffering, 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 suffering. So why he is reflecting this dukkha, dukkha? So he sees clearly the suffering nature of this mentality, materiality. So when you see the real nature of suffering in mentality, materiality, you develop no desire nor any attachment to mentality, materiality. In other words, he is having the concept of desirelessness, Abhidhamma. So when you have you can see clearly the suffering nature of mentality, materiality, you will not develop any desire for this mentality, materiality. So we say, if he emancipates from defilement through dukkha nupassana, his mega phala or emancipation, mega phala itself is called an emancipation, is called appanihita vimokha, desirelessness. The emancipation through the concept of desirelessness by dukkha nupassana.
咁第三個解脫門咧，就叫無願嘅，無願嘅。咁佢意思咧就係講咧係因為通過觀察呢個苦，即係個苦呢個觀呢個特徵咧，咁咧就達到一個無願啦。咁我覺得書係無願啦，我哋應該講無欲嘅咁樣嘅狀態啦。咁呢個禪修者咧，照樣係用呢個五取蘊作為所緣啦，見到佢嘅生滅啦。但係咧，佢嘅內心咧，佢唔同前面嗰個唔同咧，佢係個心咧係特別即係吸引啦，或者傾向導向呢個不如意苦嘅呢個特性嘅。咁你見到自己嘅五蘊心，即係大家都睇到，因為你個專注力喺度咧，你睇到嘅嘢都係一樣嘅，就係生滅或者不停咁樣滅。但係咧，呢一類嘅禪修者咧，佢就會見到呢個不如意、好無奈、好痛苦，即係不圓滿嘅呢個事實嘅。當佢見到重複見咗咁耐即係全所有嘅內觀智都成熟之後咧，見到呢個地步咧，佢對於五蘊咧一啲貪着咧，一啲慾望都冇啦。咁因為佢咁強嘅呢個出離心或者呢個苦即係咁深刻嘅智慧咧，令到咧佢係由呢個係無慾嘅。脱離門咧、解脱門咧，入呢個道智果智嘅。
So the next topic, triple gateway to liberation. Vimokha mukha. So this mukha means door or gateway. So the three doors of emancipation or liberation from the entanglement of defilements refer back to the three anupassana. So the gateway to Nibbana actually, when we say triple gateway to liberation, it means three gateways to enter to Nibbana. So Anattanupassana itself is known as the Sunyata Vimokha Mokha. There's one gateway, right? Anattanupassana is one gateway, Aniccanupassana is another one, and then the Anatta Dukkhanupassana is the third one. So these are the three gateways.
咁咧，我哋總結咧就係話有唔同嘅門咧去解脱嘅咧。頭先咧就講咧係因為無我觀咧而有空門解脱嘅。呢個就係解脱門，就係空門啦。由呢個觀呢個無常咧而由呢個無上呢個解脱門而證得呢個道智果智咧，就係叫呢個無常嘅門啦。咁由呢個觀呢個苦呢個現象咧而解脱，係由呢個無欲啦或者無願呢個門咧解脱咧，就叫無願嘅門或者無欲嘅門。
So the next topic. So 7 stages of Abhidhamma purification. So tomorrow we shall discuss from here. So that means you will see in brief the 7 stages, how to purify your mind to become an arahant. So tomorrow will be very interesting.
咁聽日咧，我哋就講呢個一個階段嘅淨化啦，清淨道啦。